Hi guys, it's Tad from Kinetic Evolution. We're here today to talk a little bit about using the barbell row exercise to help improve shoulder posture and rehab the shoulder. So the common flaw that we see most often when doing the row exercise is overusing the upper traps. So rather than getting into a position where the shoulder is back and down, which is the position that we want to practice with horizontal push-pull exercise, athletes will get into a position where they kind of shrug the upper traps and then pull the bar up towards the upper rib cage or the chest. So essentially they're practicing this type of elevated and sometimes rotated position, and athletes are teaching themselves to be strong in that position, and that's not a great position to train shoulder stability and definitely not to rehab a shoulder. So a couple quick tips that can help feel the proper position. One is to simply practice an exercise where you take your shoulders and you practice going back and then down. Again, back and then pushing down, and start to feel that position where that shoulder blade is retracted and depressed. That's a great position for horizontal push-pulling, to use the pecs, or excuse me, to train the pecs and the lats while in a position of stability. That's the position you want to be in for the row. So again, back and down. Once we get that feel, then let's take a dowel, get into a bent over position, keeping that back and down. From there, we can practice rowing or using the lats to pull the dowel in, squeezing through the back. Now the position is going to be very much here. What we don't want if we row higher up is that all of a sudden the traps can start to shrug. So the feeling you want and the position you want with the back and down is rowing more towards the belly button or the lower abdomen, in that type of area. And once we practice feeling back down, getting that proper position of stability, getting bent over and using a dowel or a golf club to groove that feel and master that feel, then we can take it to a loaded barbell and progress from there. So now that we've got the feel of the back and down position, firing the lats and where we pull the bar to, now we can take it to a barbell and add progressive load. So here's an example. So take the bar, we feel that back and down position, we get into the bent over posture, and then fire the lats to drive it into the abs. Fire, 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 good. And now what we're learning or training is to teach ourselves to put that shoulder girdle into that safe, strong posture, and then to train ourselves to fire and use the lats to move the arm. And it's an excellent way to build good shoulder girdle posture and progress the strength through the shoulder and rehab the shoulder. So give that a try, practice those exercises, apply that series. It'll help you feel and improve your barbell row, help you rehab your shoulder. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. Good luck with that, guys. Thanks for watching.